Since they were very popular and I've had a lot of feedback, these are the 3W floor liners. I have them in my F150, and this is, I forgot what years, maybe 2015 to 2024, something like that. Anyway, it works really well. I had some questions about how much it rose, how much it went over the sides and everything. So I want to give some closer ups. I'm going to show how it's actually been used and how it actually works really well. I do a lot of driving in mud and stuff. I mean, you can still see some of it all over the place. And these have been pretty good. I mean, they don't get 100% because I still get sand and stuff kicked up everywhere, but they do work really well. Now for the driver's side, they did have the snap-ons. And you can see that they do raise up here on this side quite a bit, so it helps protect the carpet over there. And it does raise up for under your seat, so it does catch some of that. I know I definitely need to do a cleaning and a detail. And then here in the back, I have the storage. Now this one was a cut option. You could do either all the way back, or you can cut it for the storage like I have. And it was pretty easy to cut. I know I showed that in the previous video. As for the sides here, it does come down mostly. It still allows some stuff to get underneath there, but it does cover most of it over there. Now, as for under the seat, they do go pretty far over, so it does keep it pretty clean under there. And it does keep everything nice and clean. And it does catch pretty much everything. And of course, I will give you a look at the passenger side. It does shift a little bit more. My passenger side doesn't have those snap-ons built in. I don't know if other models do, but the mats themselves, they do have them. My truck doesn't. Anyway, quick look at the passenger side one. You'll see it doesn't cover quite as much on the side there, but it does cover the most important things. And then one last quick look from this side. But if you're looking for a really good mat set for your truck, this has been a great brand. I really like the 3W. I've been happy with them. And for longevity, they have been great.